Hi everyone, I just received my new solar pathway lights and I'm very excited to get them set up. This was a set of 12. As you can see, I have a ton of little boxes. They're all individually wrapped and packaged, which is super nice because you can rest assured that they're going to be delivered safe and working and ready to go. So the first thing inside the box is just a little bit of the directions of how to put them together. They are LED lights. They actually have 16 little LED lights, which I'll show you. Completely solar, super easy to use. All you have to do is just push the button to turn them on, and you can choose to use the ground stake or not. That's all the directions that you need, but I am going to show you firsthand how they work. So these are not battery operated. They're completely solar. They do have a solar battery inside that recharges with the sun. On the inside of the box, you'll find these two stakes, which I'll show you how to put together. This is the back of the light. So once you are ready to use it, you're just gonna flip this switch to on and it will turn right on. But if you do notice, this switch right here is completely waterproof. It's coated in rubber. So the whole light itself is waterproof and perfect for being outside. You don't have to worry about them getting damaged by the weather. You can just leave them out there, set them up, and keep them there. It also has this protective coating on it. So each light comes sealed and you're just going to peel this off, and that makes sure that it is totally scratch free and ready to use. These are the little LED lights on the side here. And like I said before, there's 16 of them. They do have a blue glow. And this on the inside right here is the solar panel. So that is what's going to be absorbing the sun and getting all the light and the energy to light up at night. So the moment it gets dark outside, these lights are just going to turn on automatically after they've charged all day in the sun. So you can use these stakes, and I am going to set mine up with the stakes to go into the ground. They press right down, but also a lot of people like to put them flat on your steps. So you can put these flat on the ground if you wanted to put them on the side of your steps and kind of light your pathway. You can do that as well. So these are totally optional. I am going to use them. So to put them together, you're going to start with the one with the long slit right here, and that just goes right into the holes, and you push it down. And then this one is just gonna slide right on top, this shorter one. So you slide it in, kind of line that up with the other two holes, press it down, and it is ready to put into the ground. Easy as that. So you do wanna make sure you switch them on. So I'm just gonna press the light on. Again, I haven't had these on yet, so they're not charged, but I am gonna just push that to the side to be on. If you're not gonna use them for a long time, like if you pull them out after the summer, you wanna take them in the winter or whatever, you do wanna switch it to off just to make sure that that battery life lasts a little bit longer and stores well. So I'm gonna connect all of these solar panels and put them all together and then set them up outside. So I put the lights outside under some privacy trees that we have in our yard. So I kind of spaced them out about 4 feet apart. You can totally put them closer together depending on your pathway. I was just trying to space them between all of the trees, but they just sunk right into the ground really easily. It took me about maybe 10 minutes to set them all up. So they go all the way along our pathway, and this area does get a lot of sun, so they're gonna have a lot of time to charge as well and hopefully light up all night. You can put them directly into the grass. They are really low profile, so you don't have to worry about a lawnmower going over it and hitting it. They'll sit low enough in the grass on the ground. They're completely flat, so you won't cause any damage by going over them with a lawnmower. As you can see, they're really, really low. They're about maybe a ½ an inch wide, high off the ground, so they'll really easily blend right into your yard and just light up right at night. So I'm gonna let them charge the rest of the day and then come back out at nighttime and see how the blue lights look. So you can see the lights lit up really well. This is after just 1 day of charging, and they're all completely lit. Solar powered, so easy to install. They're nice and bright. They went right into the ground. They're pretty sturdy, nice and low so that they're not gonna get hit by a lawnmower, and they really made this tree line look nice. So I would definitely recommend these. They give off a really great blue light and completely solar powered, so you don't have to worry about ever charging them, and yeah, so I think you guys should give them a try, and I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.